Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My old subscribers, you're welcome. Thanks for tuning in, and my new subscriber, you're also welcome. So I'm showing you my braid. I braided my hair the previous day, so I'm about to install my crochet braids, my favorite style. Yay! I'm showing you crochet braid passion twist. Anyways, so this is the part. I've already installed one pack. It's 6 packs I use. So I use the blonde passion twist and the black colored passion twist. Okay, yeah, I'm showing you as I'm passing my crochet hook through my cornrow and I'm passing through the crochet braid through the loop. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this video at the end, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. See, I'm feeling my hair. Okay, I'm going to be rocking this passion twist for like 3 weeks before I take it down for another braid. So please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, _gallery. Okay, so if you love this braid, give it a huge thumbs up.